In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Nano Banana in two ways using Gemini and Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to try Nano Banana with a simple image workflow inside Gemini and how to access the more advanced option in Google AI Studio if you're set up for it. Let's start with Gemini. Open Gemini and look for the Create Image option with the banana icon. Click that, then click the plus icon to add your media. Choose Upload Files, select the photo you want to work with, and confirm the upload. In the prompt box, describe what you want Nano Banana to do with that image. Be as clear and specific as you can, and then submit. Gemini will process your request and generate the result based on your prompt and the image you provided. Depending on your internet speed and current server demand, generation can take a moment, so give it time. If the first result isn't exactly what you imagined, refine your prompt with details like style, mood, or changes to the subject, and run it again. A few quick tips for better results in Gemini. Choose a clear, well-lit image and keep your prompt focused on the outcome you want. Mention important attributes like color, composition, or artistic style. Also, keep an eye on any usage limits in your account and try to maintain a stable connection while the image is generating. Now let's switch to Google AI Studio. From the AI Studio interface, click Explore Nano Banana Pro. Just like before, click the plus sign to insert an image. Choose Upload File, select the image you want to edit using AI, and prepare your description of the changes you want. When you're ready, click Submit or Run to start the process. For AI Studio, there's an important note. This path requires a paid project, and you'll need to have an API key associated with a billing-enabled project to proceed. Make sure your project has the right permissions and billing set up before you try to run the model. If you're only exploring or you don't have billing configured, you can stop here and continue experimenting in Gemini instead. And as always, keep your keys private and never share them in prompts or screenshots. That's it. Two straightforward ways to access Nano Banana: the quick, guided flow in Gemini and the developer-focused option in Google AI Studio for paid projects. If this walkthrough helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating!